Canada yen, right, is very similar in terms of trend compared to the dollar yen as well as GBP JPY, right? So we have weekly and daily chart bullish trend for our 1 hour chart wicker bull. So why is this important? Is for you to see the strength of the movement and of course the direction of it. We have a fixed way of reading the trend, so you will not be looking at the chart and say, oh, it's bullish trend, and the same chart when you go out for lunch came back exactly the same. You say, oh, it's a sideways market, right? So that's the last thing you want because you'll affect your overall analysis. Knowing what the trend is and your trade could pretty much give you a hint of whether are you going to be a bit more aggressive or you're more conservative. So for example, on this weekly chart over here, we do have a bad pattern. This entire setup have a bit of warning, but it's fine. We do have RSI divergence over here, so that does help a bit. If this is for you, a retest backup, you can wait in for a selling opportunity. Of course, you can do it on a much lower time frame than the weekly chart. Daily chart, what you can see over here, you see every time when I do my analysis, I highlight and just read the trends. And it's really, really important because having the drawing, imagine I really have the shark pattern. I will not be able to see the market is actually bouncing off two important levels. This is what we call the sideways bounce. So I'm waiting to sell at the extreme end and buy at the other side of the extreme end. That said, my rules on support resistance does hold as well, and right now we are at the key level 115.46. It's not wise or it's not helpful, I find it, to look at all the levels, all the price, but rather the level that matters. And to me, 115.46 matters, right? So I want to learn this skill set, drop me a DM over here. Right, so should the market go lower, and of course then I'll be waiting for my shark pattern. For our chart, if you're looking for a selling opportunity as a counter trend trade, a retest over here on a type 2 5-0 pattern with a magic candle confirmation would give me the opportunity, but I'm not that keen, knowing that the chart is tilted more towards the bullish side. In addition, if you are looking at the trend, you can see that it's a bit more bullish over here as well, right? So selling it is a counter trend move. I'm not that interested in the current setup. 1 hour chart, buying opportunity 115.23. This level I'll be watching closely. Want to learn more about these from someone that's been doing this for the past 20 years? Drop me a DM.